Hello, my name is Monisi and welcome to Monisi Makes. This is my brother's office in his new home. He asked me to paint the ceilings and the walls and just kind of give it a little makeover. So that's what we're going to be doing today. So I hope that you stick around and stay until the end to see the beautiful result. Please excuse the boxes. My brother and his wife just moved in not long ago, so they're still trying to, unpack and get all of everything in place. So this is such a beautiful house and I can't wait to see what all they do to it. They're very creative, so I know that it's gonna be gorgeous, even though it's gorgeous now. This is the paint that we're going to be using, Behr paint and primer, and the paint color that he chose is called Aubergine. It's a beautiful eggplant color, and don't worry, I did mix the paint, I just didn't film it. I'm not crazy, and I thought this was beautiful once I painted it. I personally hate using painter's tape. I find that I am sloppy when I use it, and I just am better at painting if I freehand the edges. I decided to take a little break and hang out with their cats. This is Frankie, and then Louie is in the back, and soon you'll see Winnie coming up behind me. They are all adopted and they're such cuties. I love cats. I'm definitely a cat person, so it was nice to be able to kind of take a break and chill with these cuties. And this is Phineas, their puppy. They call him Finn or Finny, but he's a little puppy, golden retriever, and he's so adorable. Look at that face. How can you not love that face? And then there's Louie just chilling by the window. So this is what we've got so far. This camera makes it look more brown. It's actually like a very dark eggplant color. It's beautiful. I wish I could show you what the actual color is, but it's called Aubergine Behr paint. I have a lot to do still. This is just the first coat and I have to go in the edges again. So this is after the second coat. It's still drying over here, but I have to come back and do the ceiling another day. And there's a light fixture my brother really wants. It's like that Tiffany, can't remember what it's called, but it's really vintage Victorian feel and so beautiful. It's gonna look so nice with the details I have in mind. Just give it some spice. But I have to finish the edges too, second coat on the edges, and second coat here. But yeah, I'm gonna have to come back another day because this is a lot of work. It's already almost 4 p.m. and I've been here since 10 a.m. so I'm excited to see what it looks like when it's all done. So yay! Okay, this is my second day painting. This office is so hot because I'm using my dad's work lamp because my brother took the light off. He bought a new light and I want to show you guys how beautiful it is. So this is the light that he chose. It's that Tiffany chandelier. It is so beautiful. And I think it's going to look beautiful in here once everything's put together. so I can't wait to show the reveal. I started painting the ceiling. I'm probably gonna need one more coat after this dries, and I still have to do that much and fix up some parts in that corner. I'm so shaky because I've been like moving around and it's hot in here. Okay, we're getting there. I'm trying to put the paint on really thick so I don't have to go over again with the second coat. And I really love this color. It's so dramatic and masculine and just definitely my brother's style. So I really wanted to do a gallery wall in his office, and these are some of the things I found. I found this frame and another frame at a dollar store. This one is from Walmart, which I thought the detailing was so beautiful and would go so well with the theme of the office. So I'm going to put a picture of him and Becky in here. And then this picture is of my grandpa when he was in his 20s, and he and my brother were super close. So I just thought that that was so beautiful, and I really wanted to put that in his office. This we found at Hobby Lobby, and it was on crazy sale. I think we got it for like $10. And then this mirror, which is so funny, I found it in my garage at the house that we're fixing up to move into. It was super dusty, but I cleaned it up and it looks brand new. It's beautiful, goes with everything. So I don't know if you remember this frame. I have a few of them that I found at a thrift store, and I thought it would just match really well with his office. So I'm just gonna give it to him, and I'm so excited to see what it looks like. This next item, my mom and I were looking on Etsy, and we wanted to find a bust, and my brother loves classical music. He used to listen to classical with my grandpa all the time. So we got this beautiful Beethoven bust straight from Greece. It was shipped here from Greece, and it was about $25, and I will leave the link to this bust in the description box down below because it was really good quality. This is something super special. This was my grandpa's, and he and my brother were super close, and it's in Portuguese, and it would hang up on his wall. So I'm gonna see if I can put this anywhere because it's very special to him. I know my brother wanted these to be gold, so I just grabbed some rub and buff and used a brush and my finger to go over it, and then it was good to go. Here's a quick reminder of what the office looked like before the makeover. I didn't do much to this part of the office because my brother wants to get rid of this TV and eventually put his bigger TV in here and then a little sofa and ottoman. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, leave a comment down below. Let me know if you enjoyed this makeover. Is this a color you would personally choose for your own home? Is it too dark? Did you like the way it turned out? Let me know. I think it is perfect. It's just very much my brother's taste, and I'm so glad he liked it. That's the most important part. I hope to see you next time.